Lesson 1: The Power of Information and Communication Technologies. What is ICT? Information and Communication Technology is a broader term for information technology or IT, which refers to all communication technologies including the internet, wireless networks, cell phones, computers, software, middleware, video conferencing, social networking, and other media applications and services enabling users to access, retrieve, store, transmit, and manipulate information in a digital form. What is World Wide Web? The World Wide Web, or WWW, or the web, is the part of the internet that contains websites and web pages. It was invented in 1989 by Tim Berners-Lee at CERN, Geneva, Switzerland. Sir Tim Berners-Lee created a new markup language called HTML. These sites usually make money from advertisements instead of fees. The World Wide Web uses three protocols: HTML, or Hypertext Markup Language, the language that we write our web pages in; HTTP, or Hypertext Transfer Protocol, although other protocols can be used such as FTP. This is the most common protocol. URLs, Uniform Resource Locator. The last part of the puzzle required to allow the web to work is a URL. The different online platforms of World Wide Web. Web 1.0. It is the first generation of the WWW. Web 1.0 is one-way broadcasting, meaning only the owner of the site can publish information. It was the content web. Early, it was used for not-for-profit information age, a system of internet servers that support especially format documents by using HTML. WWW is not synonymous with internet. Web 2.0. It is the second generation of the WWW that focused on the ability for people to collaborate and share information online. It signifies a conversation between the original author of the content and all of those who can comment or participate. It refers to the transition from static HTML web pages to a more dynamic HTML or a dynamic web. It is also regarded as the social web. Example, Wikipedia, Facebook, YouTube, all online affairs of government as well as private entity. Web 3.0. Web 3.0 is an extension of Web 2.0. It is the location-aware and moment-relevant web. Combined with the social Web 2.0 services, the Web 3.0 provides the internet user with the opportunity to engage with people all over the world on a variety of devices. Example, Twitter, 3G cellular, Wi-Fi network, iPhone, iTV, one-tap local movie listings and trailers, local pick or local eats. Web 4.0. It is also known as the symbiotic web. Human and machine can interact in symbiosis like mind-controlled interfaces. With the help of 4.0, people also talk about ambient intelligence, WebOS, artificial intelligence. It is still an underground idea in progress. Features of Web 2.0. Folksonomy. It is a classification system in which end users apply public tags to online items, typically to make those items easier for themselves or others to find later. Rich user experience. typically a combination of GUI, style, graphical user interface, applications, and multimedia content. The value of creating a web-based software that work and give the user a similar experience to a computer-based software program is growing in the Web 2.0 paradigm. User participation. It means that web users are participating in the web content creation, tagging, and sharing. Social network includes like creating user profiles to social network applications and communicating with other web users through applications. Software as a service. Users will subscribe to a software only when needed rather than purchasing them. Mass participation. It is a diverse information sharing through a universal web access. What is the difference between web page, website, web browser, web server, and search engine? Web page. A web page is a simple document displayable by a browser. Such documents are written in the HTML language, which we look into in more detail in other articles. Website. A website is a collection of web pages and related content that is identified by a common domain name and published on at least one web server. Web browser. A web browser is an application software for accessing the World Wide Web. When a user requests a web page from a particular website, the web browser retrieves the necessary content from a web server and then displays the page on the user's device. Web server. A web server is a computer software and underlying hardware that accepts requests via HTTP, the network protocol created to distribute web pages or its secure variants, HTTPS. Search engine. A search engine is a software system that is designed to carry out web searches, which means to search the World Wide Web in a systematic way for particular information specified in a textual web search query. What are the current trends in ICT? As the world of ICT continues to grow, the industry has focused on several innovations. The innovations cater to the needs of the people that benefit most out of ICT. Convergence. Technological convergence is the synergy of technological advancements to work on a similar goal or task. For example, besides using your personal computer to create Word documents, you can now use your smartphone. Social media. Social media is a website, application, or online channel that enables web users to co-create, discuss, modify, and exchange SM-generated content. 6 types of social media. Number 1 is social networks, a dedicated website or other application which enables users to communicate with others by posting information, comments, messages, images, and etc. Examples are Facebook and Google. Number 2, bookmarking sites. It allows users to save and share links to websites or interesting articles with others. This is a good solution for storing and organizing links. Important for us. Bookmarks are most often tagged, which allows subsequent users to search for them by topic. Examples are StumbleUpon and Pinterest. Third is social news. Refers to a more modern tendency to get news from social media rather than more traditional news sources. Examples are Reddit and Dig. Number 4 is media sharing. It allows you to upload your photos, videos, and audio to a website that can be accessed from anywhere in the world. Examples are Flickr, YouTube, and Instagram. Number 5. Microblogging. It is an online broadcast medium that exists as a specific form of blogging. A microblog differs from a traditional blog in that its content is typically smaller in both actual and aggregated file size. Examples are Twitter and Plurk. Number 6. Blogs and forums. Blogs are full of posts and comments created by authors, organized into categories. Forums are full of topics and comments created by members organized into different subforums. Mobile technologies. Mobile technology is technology that goes where the user goes. It consists of portable two-way communications devices, computing devices, and the networking technology that connects them. The communication networks that connect these devices are loosely termed wireless technologies. They enable mobile devices to share voice, data, and applications. Mobile apps. Mobile operating systems. Number 1 is iOS, used in Apple devices such as the iPhone and iPad. Number 2, Android, an open source operating system developed by Google. Being open source means several mobile phone companies use this OS for free. Number 3, BlackBerry OS, used in BlackBerry devices. Number 4, Windows Phone OS, a closed source and proprietary operating system developed by Microsoft. Number 5, WebOS, originally used for smartphones, now used for smart TVs. Number 6, Windows Mobile, developed by Microsoft for smartphone and pocket PCs. Assistive media. Assistive media provides audio access to reading materials for anyone with a reading access barrier. Talented volunteers record magazine, articles, and other short works which are then available for download or in our podcast. There are hundreds of recordings of magazine articles, short stories, and selections from anthologies. The founder of assistive media is David Erdody. What are the technology trends for 2021? Dougal 2021 presented the top 9 technology trends for year 2021, which are as follows: artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, robotic process automation, RPA, edge computing, quantum computing, virtual reality and augmented reality, blockchain, Internet of Things or IoT, 5G, cybersecurity. Artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning. Artificial intelligence is a technology which enables a machine to simulate human behavior. Machine learning is a subset of AI which allows a machine to automatically learn from past data without programming explicitly. Robotic Process Automation, RPA. Robotic Process Automation, RPA, refers to software that can be easily programmed to do basic, repetitive tasks across applications. RPA creates and deploys a software robot with the ability to launch and operate other software. Edge computing. Edge computing is a distributed, open IT architecture that features decentralized processing power, enabling mobile computing and Internet of Things (IoT) technologies. In edge computing, data is processed by the device itself or by a local computer or server rather than being transmitted to a data center. Quantum computing. Quantum computing is an area of computing focused on developing computer technology based on the principles of quantum theory, which explains the behavior of energy and material on the atomic and subatomic levels. Virtual reality and augmented reality. Augmented reality or AR adds digital elements to a live view, often by using the camera on a smartphone. Examples of augmented reality experiences include Snapchat, lenses, and the game Pokemon Go. Virtual reality or VR implies a complete immersion experience that shuts out the physical world. Blockchain. Blockchain is a distributed ledger technology that combines with IoT to make machine-to-machine transactions possible. It uses a set of transactions that are recorded in a database, verified by multiple sources, and entered in a common ledger distributed across every node. Internet of Things, IoT. The Internet of Things or IoT is a system of interrelated computing devices, mechanical and digital machines, objects, animals, or people that are provided with unique identifiers, UIDs, and the ability to transfer data over a network without requiring human-to-human or human-to-computer interaction. 5G. 5G networks deliver faster and more reliable communications. They open doors to exciting new connections to Internet of Things networks, autonomous driving, broadband fixed wireless, and faster video viewing. Cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is the practice of defending computers, servers, mobile devices, electronic systems, networks, and data from malicious attacks. It's also known as information technology security or electronic information security.